Mixed Reality Tactical Training Kit (MRTTK) is a multi-user, multitask, cross-domain, multi-scenario tactical drill and training system built by integrating mixed reality technology, 3D Geographic Information System technology, 3D spatial rapid modeling technology, spatial computing, and advanced human-computer interaction technology. The system consists of a mixed reality technical training control terminal and multiple mixed reality tactical training display terminals, etc. The system supports military task simulations, such as multi-user tactical training rehearsals, collaborative tactical training, and tactical situation displays in mixed reality fusion scenarios. It can be applied to individual and small team tactical coordination training, battlefield situation display, tactical training and rehearsal, and can interface with other simulation training systems or real-time combat mission systems for holographic situation display. Digital Earth display features, supports common formats of satellite imagery, digital elevation, vector data, raster data, and oblique photography images, as well as user-created model data, supports place name search and positioning, and hotspot marking. Terrain operation features, supports operation control of the sand table through gesture commands, as well as terrain translation and level switching. It has the capabilities of distance measurement, terrain visibility analysis, and geographic information analysis. 3D display equipment deployment features, provides a library of models for common equipment, supports role-based deployment of various military branch models in mixed reality sand tables, supports both Digital Earth and sandbox displays, with the sandbox offering a main sandbox and multiple hotspot sub-sandboxes displayed simultaneously. Military symbol deployment features, supports tracking common military symbols with gestures and deploying them at coordinate points, with the ability to switch and correspond displays between military symbols and 3D military equipment. Task planning features, supports mission planning for combat units, setting task parameters, routes, targets, trigger methods for tasks, and linking tasks with events. Rehearsal function supports synchronized presentation of tasks between the control terminal and the mixed reality training display terminal. Multi-user collaboration features. Through control software and servers, data interconnection is achieved, supporting local area network and remote cross-domain connections. Support local spatial scene synchronization, remote cross-domain spatial scene synchronization, training operations, and data synchronization. The control terminal can control operations on the mixed reality training display terminal, such as start, pause, rewind, and fast forward. The mixed reality tactical training kit can be applied to command and communication simulation training, air combat simulation training, multi-user tactical training, and can be integrated with unmanned systems and display unmanned system video and other information in real time.